a gentle tune with waves that dance beneath the moon. They crash and roll, they rise and fall, a soft, sweet song for one and all. The waves, they whisper, then they roar. On sandy shores they softly pour a melody of deep blue sea, a tune as old as you and me. The tide comes in, the tide goes out, a lulling sound without a doubt. The ocean's voice is calm and clear, a song we love to stop and hear. Beneath the sun, the waves will play. They sparkle bright throughout the day. With each soft splash, with every sound, the ocean's music all around. When night is near, the waves still sing, a peaceful hum, a gentle thing. The stars above, the moon so bright, the ocean hums through peaceful night. So listen close and you will know the ocean song, it ebbs and flows, a never-ending lullaby that echoes far beneath the sky.
Say, toy sois ma.
The ocean sings a gentle tune with waves that dance beneath the moon. They crash and roll, they rise and fall, a soft, sweet song for one and all.